Ashley, I'm so stressed. Tomorrow, I have a job interview.
A job interview? That's important. Why are you stressed?
Because I only have casual clothes.
Casual clothes? You mean t-shirts, jeans, sneakers?
Yes, that's all I have.
Oh no. For a job interview, casual clothes are not enough.
Not enough?
You need formal clothes.
Formal clothes?
Yes, formal clothes are smart and professional, like a shirt, a jacket, and nice trousers.
Oh, I see. Casual is too relaxed. Formal is more serious.
Exactly. For a job interview, you need to be dressed to impress.
Dressed to impress? That sounds cool. What does it mean?
It means you wear nice clothes, so people say, wow, he looks great.
Oh, so not a t-shirt.
Right, no t-shirt, a shirt, maybe a jacket, something sharp.
Sharp? Like a knife?
No, not dangerous sharp. Sharp means stylish and smart.
Oh, stylish. Okay, sharp.
Good. And by the way, today you will learn not only shopping words, but also 3 special idioms.
3 idioms?
Yes, one now, one in the middle, and one at the end. If you stay with us, you'll collect all 3.
Collect idioms like stars?
Exactly. Every time we learn one, a star lights up.
That's fun. I want to collect them all.
Perfect. But first, jeans, sneakers.
Casual clothes. Too relaxed.
Formal clothes are shirts, jackets, trousers. More professional.
Formal clothes. Serious style.
The idiom dressed to impress means wearing clothes that make people say, wow.
Dress to impress. Cool.
And sharp means stylish and smart.
Sharp. Stylish. Got it.
Excellent. That's our first star. Now let's head to the store.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go shopping.
Okay, Tom, we're inside the store now.
Wow, so many clothes, I don't even know where to start.
Don't worry. If someone comes to help, you can say, I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Yes, try it.
I'm just looking.
Perfect. That means you want to look first. No pressure.
Oh, okay. I'm just looking.
But if you want something, say, I'm looking for.
I'm looking for a shirt?
Exactly. Try the full line.
I'm looking for a shirt.
Nice. Today, you're looking for formal clothes, right?
I'm looking for formal clothes.
Good job. Oh, look, Tom. This shirt here looks nice.
It does look formal.
Let's take it and check the size later.
Okay. I'm looking for this shirt in my size.
Perfect sentence. You're sounding more confident already.
Okay.
Quick review. I'm just looking and I'm looking for.
I'm just looking. I'm looking for formal clothes.
Excellent! You're ready for the next step. Look, Tom, here are some formal clothes.
Formal clothes? Like what?
This is a shirt.
Shirt.
This is a jacket.
Jacket.
And these are trousers.
Trousers. Oh, like pants.
Yes, trousers is British English, pants is American.
Got it.
And look, this is a good question. Say, do you have this in another size?
Do you have this in another size?
Perfect.
What about color?
Then you ask, do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Great. Maybe dark blue or black?
Yeah, dark blue sounds nice.
Okay, let's take this jacket to try on.
Try on?
Yes, you can say, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Excellent. Let's go to the dressing room.
So, how do I look?
Wow, Tom, it fits well.
Fits well?
Yes, it means the size is good. Not too big, not too small.
Okay, it fits well.
Actually, it fits like a glove.
Fits like a glove?
Yes, it means it's perfect on you, like it was made just for you.
Oh, I like that. Fits like a glove.
Great. That's our second idiom today.
Second star?
Yes, the second star lights up now.
Nice. 2 stars already.
And here's a quick review. Shirt, jacket, trousers, tie. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? And the idiom, fit like a glove.
Shirt, jacket, trousers, tie. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? Fit like a glove.
Perfect, Tom. You're really getting it. Tom, you've got your suit. Now, maybe I should get something too.
Sure. Why not?
Look, this is a dress.
Dress.
And this is a blouse.
Blouse.
Here's a skirt.
Skirt. Okay, I'm learning women's clothes now.
That's right. I think I'd like to try this one.
The dress?
Yes, I'd like to try this dress. So, what do you think? Does it suit me?
It looks great on you.
Thanks, but it feels a bit tight.
A bit tight?
Yes, maybe I should try a bigger size.
Oh, like me before. Another size?
Exactly. I'm not sure about the color either. The color is too bright for me.
Too bright? I think it's fine, but maybe dark blue is better.
You're right. Dark blue would be more professional. A bit tight. Maybe I should try a bigger size. The color is too bright for me.
Dress. Blouse. Skirt. I'd like to try this one. Does it suit me? It looks great on you. It feels a bit tight. Maybe I should try a bigger size. The color is too bright for me.
Perfect. That's excellent practice. Okay, Tom. Time to pay.
I'll take this one.
Good. Ask the price.
How much is it?
And payment?
Can I pay by card?
Nice and clear. Don't forget to say thank you.
Thank you. I still feel a bit nervous about tomorrow.
Look at you. That navy suit looks sharp.
What if I freeze?
Then you need to pull yourself together.
Pull myself together?
It means calm down, focus, and be confident.
Pull myself together. Got it.
Your turn to lead the review. Start from the beginning.
From the beginning. Job interview. Casual clothes. Formal clothes.
Good. Shopping basics.
I'm just looking. I'm looking for a shirt, a jacket, formal clothes.
Size and color.
Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color?
Fitting room language.
Can I try this on? It fits well, and it fits like a glove.
Nice use of fits like a glove. Compliments and feedback.
Does it suit me? It looks great on you. It feels a bit tight. Maybe I should try a bigger size. The color is too bright for me.
Payment phrases.
I'll take this one. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Dressed to impress. Fit like a glove. Pull myself together.
Perfect use of all three. Consider today 3 stars earned.
Thanks, Ashley. Tomorrow I'll pull myself together, look dressed to impress, and my suit already fits like a glove.
Exactly. You're ready.